Tonight, Global Affairs Canada confirmed 2 military exports that the Liberal government permitted earlier this year are for goods related to Israel's Iron Dome missile system. You are watching Muslim News Canada on Muslim Network TV. Assalamu alaikum, I am Ahmed Ramadan. The Ontario government is investing $70 million in expanding training and employment services for those affected by U.S. tariffs and policies. $20 million will go towards Protect Ontario Workers Employment Response Centers or Power Centers. This will provide workers with access to training, upskilling, and employment services to workers that are at risk or have been affected by layoffs. Ontario will launch centers with the ability to respond in 24 hours. $50 million will go to Better Jobs Ontario or BJO, which will expand access to skill training. Youth and people on social assistance can receive $35,000 for tuition, transportation, and childcare. This initiative is in partnership with unions, colleges, and community groups aimed to help workers retain demand, good-paying jobs that strengthen Ontario's economy. The wildfires in Nova Scotia's Annapolis County continues to pose a threat to homes, provincial experts say. The wildfire near West Dalhousie is roughly 32 square kilometers. Dave Steeves, a provincial public information officer, said homes that faced risk on Tuesday faced the same amount of risk on Wednesday, but due to the dedication of firefighters on the scene, the wildfires has not grown in size. Steeves said 22 firefighters from Ontario and 5 from Prince Edward Island are on the scene to help. 95 natural resource staff, 25 volunteer fire department members, and heavy machinery operators are also on the scene. In the past 24 hours, Gaza's health ministry has recorded 2 deaths due to famine and malnutrition, raising the total number of hunger-related deaths to 271, including 112 children. Israel has started intensifying attacks on Gaza City, planning to seize it. Israel is also forcibly displacing close to 1 million people and demolishing Palestinian homes. Hamas has accused Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu of disregarding efforts by mediators to reach a ceasefire and going ahead with the military seizure of Gaza City. World leaders have also condemned Israel for approving the so-called E1 illegal settlement expansion project, which severs the last links between Ramallah and Bethlehem on the occupied West Bank. Israel's genocide on Gaza has killed at least 65,000 people and wounded 157,114 since October 2023. A spokesperson for Global Affairs Canada confirmed 2 military exports that the Liberal government permitted earlier this year are for goods related to Israel's Iron Dome missile system. The government authorized 2 permits in February with a combined value of $37.2 million for goods that cover bombs, torpedoes, rockets, and missiles. Recently, the department has been under pressure to share more information about Canada's arms trade deal with Israel after a report revealed shipping records about Canada's exports to Israel. Reported by Maple in June, Canadian companies sold $18.9 million in military goods to Israel last year, using permits before January 8, 2024. Later, the Liberal government implemented a pause on new permits they suspected were being used in Gaza. Thank you for watching Muslim News Canada. We are a community channel dedicated to bringing you stories you can trust. Please like, share, and subscribe to our content. You can also comment to let us know what you think of our coverage. You can donate now by visiting muslimnetwork.tv/donate. For more content, keep watching Muslim Network TV.